Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Ford Fusion SE, stock number B9246P. Only 15,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, shadow black in color. Do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read, 15,000 miles. Driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is where that backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest with USB, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's inside. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and the city average of 34 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9246P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.